So what do we need to do to get our videos ranked on the YouTube search? I've become something of a professional at getting my videos ranked within YouTube search. I created this new channel here, All City IRL, and I'm working the process again with very few subscribers and getting my videos ranked. As you guys can see, for Shotcut, I made a video yesterday on Shotcut, a great free video editing software that you guys may want to consider using. I made this video yesterday and I got it ranked to number 4. Now I have less than 100 subscribers and you guys can see this video here at the very top has 118,000 views. The video below it, 858,000 views, followed by 646,000 views. And here I go with 31 views. I got my video ranked, but being that YouTube has done such a great job with user preference, getting your video ranked doesn't necessarily mean that you're gonna get a huge amount of views ASAP, especially if it's not a trending topic. So you're gonna get organic views by getting your videos ranked. So if you're looking for organic views, you want to get your video ranked so that way it'll consistently get views on the long term. Long-term effect of getting views on YouTube is getting them ranked. As you guys can see, the one below me, 160K, followed by 25K. So you can see I am amongst a good crowd of people. By getting ranked number 4, it almost guarantees me that my video is going to continue to get views along the way when we have members of the YouTube community searching for a free video editing software. So what are the steps to getting your videos ranked? Because I'm sure a lot of you guys want to know these steps to getting your video ranked. We're going to walk you through that right now. Okay, so one of the first things to know with getting your videos ranked on YouTube has to do is start with you as a creator. You have to do your research, understand SEO, search engine optimization. It'll help you out tremendously when attempting to get your videos ranked within the YouTube search. And what is search engine optimization? Is providing YouTube with the most amount of information pertaining to the video that you are trying to get views on and getting it ranked within the YouTube search. Now, starting with you and doing your research on the particular topic that you want to cover and making sure you target the right keywords, because that's what YouTube is really about, targeting the right keywords at the right time. And this is what I'm trying to master myself, because timing plays such a huge factor in getting your video a good amount of views. And when you release that content, if you could release content in your niche pertaining to a topic that's actually trending, it leads to an explosive amount of views. So let's look up new patch for 2K21. It's a video that I uploaded today, and we're going to see where it ranks within the YouTube search. So I'll click search here, and as you guys can see, the very first video is at 60K. The video below it is at 10,000, and here I go, ranked number 3 for new patch 2K21 at 1,000 views, uploaded 2 hours ago. So this to say, like, when you want to get something going, I know from personal experience that 2K is, this game is going to actually release a patch very soon. Being that I know this, I jumped ahead of the game and released content referring to a new patch that's actually inbound and explain some of the big changes that are to come. This is going to be a trending topic within a few days, and I know that being that I have my video ranked is going to lead to more views on this particular video. So that's one of the first things you want to take note of. Understand, do your research on the topic and see how the YouTube community is actually receiving that topic. Know your niche and know when new content is actually needed, and then the rest has to do with SEO, search engine optimization, and putting in the right title information to match the content that you have on your video, and also putting in the proper information in your description to match your title and some additional information for the user on YouTube. YouTube is primarily based off user preference, and they do a really good job with the user preference feature on YouTube. And you appreciate that more as a user than you do as a content creator on YouTube. You wish that more people could find your videos, but this is why audience retention is so important and why content is king on YouTube. Audience retention maintains that if someone clicks onto your video, they're more than likely going to see your video in their YouTube preferences the next day. Another good tactic to follow is putting in end screens and also cards, so that way your videos have an increased opportunity to come up in the user's suggested videos. When you start linking videos together, you get the YouTube algorithm to work for you. You get put into suggested videos, and by optimizing your search, you will get ranked within YouTube search, as you guys have seen with 2 videos that I have uploaded within the last 24 hours. I hope you guys found this video helpful and or informative, and if you did, please consider dropping a like on the video. If you're new to the channel, you could help us reach 100 subscribers by subscribing today. We would love to have you. We're gonna have a bunch of YouTube tips and tricks coming your way. Catch you guys on the next video. Easy, y'all.